Magano Ora? Ang labanggan. Here in the market. Mom, she's still standing because Nizel is getting his or her bag. So today we are here in Grand Mall. So with my sister and my mom. So my sister is not feeling well right now, but we are planning to go to I forgot the kind of restaurant. Basta, we will go to the restaurant and then we're gonna eat for lunch, and then probably maybe mom and I will gonna stay here for the whole day. Magano Sinisem. Iya, semua. Semua di mana? Iya, kita. Semua di mana? Iya, kita go sa Itbangguan. Ma, kay tumitong ka ting. Ha? Kay itong ka ting. Bakit? Okay lang. So, hi guys, good morning. Today we are here in the Rib Shack together with mom and my sister. So it's currently 10:18. O, diretso gun. Para mga cream all. Iya, malang mga coffee. Probably the coffee will be here on this area. Ano kape ho? Kape ho, cream all. Pero mga una tahay. Tara. Bibili kami guys ng coffee. Hato, kape. Ay, hala mga gatas. Ay, sindo kape. Hara siguro mga kape. No great taste, hindi ka? Sige. May great taste to. Bayang. Bulok mo dami? Ay, bala ka. Ato, may great taste dago mo. Bayang. Ikaw? 56. 50. Bala ka. Ikaw kumain dyan eh. Ha? 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 Dahil na natin. Ay. Ano ba? Dahil na yung kape? Ikaw, bala. Kapilang grams, right? 26 pesos. Ay, 26.50 for 25 grams. 25 grams malang ni Raya. Ikaw na, lala pa na. Ano buo?
Ay, saka sa mga to. Ay, lang o.
150 to? Mahal ito. Oh. 48 sticks. Malang gali, oh. 150 to. Karay ka lang, oh.
Kaya?
Oh, bukod ka lang sa mga magdara. Ay, oo, 133 man. Ah, 51, no? Great taste. 50 grams. Kasi 80 malaraya, 80 grams, 50 plus 50. So, ano, may pero makaraya lang. Premium. No, 25% off. Mahal galing na siguro. 244 no. Sindo, kagatasan ihara lang ko. Karon lang sa may mga prices ko. Gina trikan malang abi kita di ka na ag. Hi. Kung abat mo, kung matama rin yung mga ano nga ma. Ay buwan, nabuo ma.
Ay, birds tree o. Makabarato ka.
Oh, 100 oh.
Tanawa, birds tree.
Price off ma, 50. 100 lang.
Free lang.
Oo. Oo, magkaiba may save tent, abiraya oh. Ikaw talaga buo, imo ta.
Sino pe? Kaya?
Ah.
Also, magapon.
Paras malang binutangan malang nanda. Binutangan malang nanda tayong yellow oh. Oh, pinigkit lang yan. Oh, hi, ano pa? Gabakal pa ako mait ano ma taga ako nga ano.
Kuya?
Ay, usuya na. Panawon ta iya mo. Oh, may lettuce and the fresh oh. Lettuce and
Ano
ano.
yun? Ito sa pistas, palingaya no?
Nami ron, ready gulay.
Mo mga makanon yun ta. Pagbuo tang.
Astig na. Basil ag lettuce. Iyaw nang bakat. Igto ta na ko sa pihak ta na. Baka ako Dutch milk. Alam mo, mga makalan mo. Tag 27. Matry ka kara. Yogurt da. Makasamit yung garcinisel. Tig 27 ron. Yogurt, makara mga ginakaunig to. Galing, tag sa bote. Wa, nagkaon yun mo ron. Wa, man ko ni mo nailaos do yun. Takbo mo kuha mo nila. Bukod at fresh gid oh. Tanawa ro kinaibahan no. Kung bukod fresh gid matuod ay ibang-iba guys. So look at this. Medyo mahal siguro abiray ho. Ito lang sa gawa no. Makita pa natin the presyo. Oh, tanawa. Wag hapon na napilakan. Joker ah. Oh. Red squash. 90 carrots, potato, eggplant, cabbage, and bell pepper. Makaraya ma sa ibang bansa ma. Makaraya ho, ginatungtung-tungtungan mo aron kunyari ba na makaron. Tapos ay kung alin do nakapangalan ho. Oh, makarama lang. Ibaraya bukod dahil masyadong high-tech. Ikabe pagpatong mo, maklik-klik ka, may medyo may TV-TV ag tanawon mo kung alin imong ginapan so ipindot to naghook tapos ay okay yun dayon may price yun ipigkit mo tanan sa fruits
Aptik ano?
aptik no ayos da atur mga eggs ara same ano lang man
Karon ni suka
kaisot nga ni rin pangit nga ni tsura karon bukod healthy Amon niya to ay fresh na ito ma?
Ayun, magpuso ka eh.
Oo.
Ano ka matira?
Tanawon tandang eggs. Spices, eggs, and sugar. Tapos makara kami ito magbakal. Wow, mat-diferensya. O, hambawang tama na tig 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120 man. 117 man yagi. Makara, ito galing kulay yellow, maro itlog. Wayat kulay yellow, di ba? Baka matano puti. Hararo mga mga sweetener nga ginabutang kung bukod sugar. Mga sweet, mga unhealthy. Oh, may 43. Daya high rice. Gabi na makaroon niya at isot yun ang makaroon. Okay, hi guys. So we are currently here in this area together with mom. Bumili lang kami ng kape. May pakita mo? 2 kape and then milk. Tapos yogurt. Eto. Fresh na fresh. Tama na baklan? Gaon pa no? Mga frozen man yan. Tara, i-check mo ka ha. I-check mo. Sinda ng code. Hara ng code oh. Oh. 59.
Kaya? 37. 36 ba lang?
37 na siguro yung size na eh.
Kaya hay. 39.40 kaya?
Hay, hana tayo mo ma. Oh.
Wala, di ka na 37. Ito ka na.
Oh, 37. Kabait ni.
No.
Balik.
Kailan nyo yan siya? Different kinds of may makarang classmate ako. Cute.
Raya ho buldo pangit dai nga.
Wala ka na,
Ara ro
classmate,
ga protect dai nga. Daya hay papi lang daya sanda ko raya. Daya medyo dangerous man siguro raya nga raw.
Bulo kaya ha. Ay, garas ka namin. Cute. Nakita ko.
Cute dun ma.
Kaysa isot pa lang ako ko.
Ara gabantay ta siguro. Ara taro ga protect.
So, let's check, di ba, Rat?
Ha. Astig. Garus hindi minigid ano sa card.
Ano yung dati? Salamet?
Chandelier.
Hindi, pag-waitin nito. Nice to touch once broken, considered as sold. Kabalik-balik pa lang, Ron?
Wishing well may kwarta ha. May coins. no? Di kuryente ron, ma. Oh, may kwarta si babaw ni, oh. Stormy, how are you? How are you, my Stormy? Very good, ah. You're so good. Yeah? Yeah? So good. Welcome back. So, for today's video, guys, we are going to talk about our journey to the opening salvo 2 nights ago. So, my family and I went all together to the opening salvo in Calibo, and it is fun, exciting, and very good experience for everybody. Okay, so in the Calibo, I first time saw Becoming Filipino. He is one of my favorite vlogger that I always watching on YouTube. And he was there, but sadly he is like far away because he was on the stage and we are on the just in the front. So yeah, but anyways, I took some videos on the stage of the Pastrana Park and as well as to the Ilias TV band. He is the one who entertained people, and their band really has a good group. But anyway, guys, we've been there and it was fun, I think. And of course, we just stayed with my sister boarding house, me and mom, while my two brothers went back here because it's already, when I'm not mistaken, it's actually 12 midnight, and they come back here. But we prefer to stay in the boarding house of my sister because we want to explore and to go around on the next day. And what we did with the first day after that night, actually, we went to the Grand Mall. We keep coming back there, and most of the time we stayed on the Grand Mall. And yeah, we just enjoy the moment. We do a window shopping, looking around, and I bought mom a new slipper, and she loves it. I think the color is like violet, light violet, something like that, and it looks nice to her. Actually, after we bought that, because we are together with my sister, she wore it and she's happy about the new slipper. But anyway, guys, today I doesn't have any planned yet, and it's currently 12:30 a.m. I did already my live this morning, so it's just only a silent live. I only want to try the Wi-Fi if it's good, because this Wi-Fi, guys, experience saying for the past week already, it's very weak signal. We have very weak signal here in the province of the Aklan, Philippines. And yeah, it's so sad because, for example, you like to research something, you have to post even videos, and anything you'd like to do with the internet. But good news was yesterday I already experienced this kind of like not that fast when it comes to uploading my videos and updating my YouTube channel. But when I compared it with the past few weeks, it's kind of like sucks the very weak signal, and at the same time the weather here in the Philippines, every time it's like 31 degrees Celsius, and the humidity feels like 37 degrees Celsius, which I've already mentioned it with my past vlog. But anyway, guys, if you're here in the Philippines, you cannot do anything about it. And for example, in my sister's boarding house, so it is very hot there, and you cannot stay inside the room, or yeah, and then you cannot sleep even because of the very hot weather. Hi guys, welcome back. So currently I am having my coffee. I didn't use right now my mic, so hopefully you can hear it. But anyway, for today's video, we are going, or I am going to make some spaghetti. Alright, so here in the Philippines, you can see like this, and like this.
Nabutang ko sa akong lambot.
Pinabot, bakal ko mo.
Pagbakal ma ako, ay wa ko nimo ko. Ano nga mo ko ko ta sa puti. Mero, hindi ko sa akon. Basta ako ang tao. Anda pa nga ng ambo na butangan ko ba may lugar? Kaya kung wala na mo sa akin ko butangan. Gusto ko tayo mahumok ang ambo. Magbadbabat ba tara?
At dahil makati yung mukha ko dahil sa pimples, kailangan natin hilamusan.
Ano mga kung akong ngabot, wala ka natinot sabon, kwan, powder. Ay, ito siguro mga bumakal na. Hintawan ako, powder ko ko siya. 2 weeks, 3 weeks yun. Ay, ubos ko, 1 week man lang. Ay, powder, ibang lang din, sanda, at dinabukad, nanda, butang sa salupin. Ay, binabalik ko, sugudlan ko, no? Oo, powder nga, tag binabukad, ay butang sa salupin. Balik ko, sugudlan, nanda. Alin pa ibaw? Ay, ako tagtaw, eh. Human din.
Okay, now we feel much better. Ayan, hindi na siya oily.
How are you, my little cat? How are you? Stormy, you have a very good life, ah. Stormy, how are you?
Storm, tawag ka, Storm. Tawag ka ni Titi. Tawag ka.